Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So my name is Azfar Arif bin Ismail, PA 22021, and I'm here to talk about a critical component of safety in the construction industry, which is safety aid kits. Whether you are working on a skyscraper, a bridge, or residential home, accidents can happen anytime. But with the right tools and knowledge, we can manage and even prevent these incidents from escalating. So let's dive into how safety aid kits are cornerstone of keeping our construction sites safe. Construction sites are dynamic environments filled with potential hazards like sharp tools, heavy machineries, and also unstable surfaces. A well-prepared safety aid kit is not just a regulatory requirement, but also a life-saving resource. So today, we will cover on safety procedure involving aid kits, regulation governing their use, best practices for maintaining and using them, potential hazards addressed by aid kits, and also preventive measures to minimize risk on site. Safety procedures. Let's begin with safety procedures. Having a safety aid kit is one thing, but knowing how to use it effectively is another. Number 1. Accessibility. Aid kits should be located in easily accessible areas such as near work zones or break rooms. In larger sites, multiple kits should be strategically placed. Number 2. Training. Every worker must be trained on the location of aid kits, the purpose of each item in the kit, and the proper technique of using supplies, such as applying a bandage or administering basic first aid. Number 3. Reporting and restocking. After an incident, this item must be recorded and replaced immediately. Maintaining a fully stocked kit is non-negotiable to ensure it's ready for the next emergency. The structured procedure eliminates confusion and ensures timely response, which is critical in emergency. Safety aid kits aren't just a good idea. The legal requirement in Malaysia, the regulation regarding first aid kit falls under Regulation 38, which issued by Josh, mandate that kits must include essential items such as bandage, antiseptics, gloves, scissors, as things. Kits should be tailored to such specific risks, such as adding burn care items for welding sites or eye wash solution for dusty environment. Regular inspections are necessary to check the expiry dates and condition of items. Failure to comply with this regulation can result in hefty fines and legal consequences, but more importantly, it compromises the safety of everyone on site. Best practices. To maximize the effectiveness of safety aid kits, here are some of the best practices. Number 1. Monthly audits. Designated safety officer to inspect and restock kits regularly. Items like antiseptics and gloves can expire or lose effectiveness. Number 2. Customizations. Tailor your aid kit to the specific hazards of the projects. For example, if your sites involve electrical works, include the item like insulated gloves and also burn ointment. Number 3. Mark the location of aid kits clearly with signs and ensure all the workers know how to use and how to locate them quickly. Following these practices, ensure that your aid kit is not only compliant but also functional when it matters most. Potential hazards. Construction sites present a variety of hazards that well-equipped aid kit can address. Common risk includes cuts and laceration where from handling sharp tools or materials, burns caused by welding, electrical sparks, or contact with hot surface, eye injuries from fine debris, dust, or any chemical splash, fractures or sprains where also resulting from slips, trips, or falls from high surface. Each of the injuries require specific first aid intervention. For example, antiseptic wipes and bandage are critical for treating cuts, while burn gel is essential for the thermal injuries. By understanding these risks, we can ensure our aid kits are prepared to address them effectively. Preventive measures. While aid kits are essential, prevention is always better than cure. Here are some proactive steps to reduce accidents. Number 1. Training. Ensure workers know how to use tools and machinery properly. Number 2. PPE usage. Personal protective equipment such as gloves, helmets, and also safety glass act as the first line of defense. Number 3. Regular inspections. Always check tools, machinery, and set conditions to identify and address hazards before they cause harm. Number 4. Clear communication. Use signage, briefings, and also toolbox talks like I'm doing this one to keep safety on top of mind for everyone on site. These measures combined with a well-equipped aid kit create a comprehensive approach. We come to the end. To sum up, safety aid kits are an indispensable part of construction site safety. So let's recap the key points. Number 1, safety procedure. Always train workers and ensure kits are accessible and fully stocked. Number 2, regulations. Comply with legal requirements to avoid fines and also to protect our workers' lives. Number 3, best practices. Conduct regular audits and also tailor kits to site-specific hazards. Number 4, potential hazards. Address injuries like cuts, burns, and fractures effectively. And number 5, preventive measures. Always focus on training, PPE, and also regular inspections to minimize risk. Remember, safety is for everyone's responsibility, and be prepared with the right tools and knowledge. For watching, stay safe, stay prepared, and take safety seriously every day because all life are matter.